Hey, in this video, you're going to learn how to make a paper airplane simple and easy. It's a 7-fold or 7-step technique used by kids, adults, delinquents worldwide for many years. Let's get right to it. How to fold a paper airplane. Today, we're going to use a sheet of 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And just step one, fold it in half vertically, line up those corners, crease it in the middle, and then I go top to bottom. All right, let's open it up, and right on to step two, grab a corner, bring it to the middle, and just line it up to that edge, crease it from top to bottom, and line that up. If you're off a little, you can always go back and kind of correct it, pull it out a little bit more. And go ahead and line that one up too. All right. That was step three. Step four, grab this new corner edge you just made here and kind of curl it over your finger. I like to hold it down up top, curl this over, and again, we're just gonna bring this to the center here, always to that center line, holding it at the top, bringing it down. Step five, same thing, repeat on the other side. I like to just kind of curl it over this way here. And again, just line it up to the center. Fold it down. There we go. Step six, grab this bottom corner here now. And again, just kind of curl this edge over towards the center line. And give it a nice pull and fold down. Last step, last fold. Opposite side to the center. Boom, there you go. There's your paper airplane. So this is the bottom you're looking at now. I'll flip it over. Crease it like a taco. And there we go. Pinch it in the front. You're ready to fly. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe and like button for more educational videos. Now go hit your buddy, your coworker, your boss with this thing in the back of the head.